Drops, welcome back to my channel. So it's kind of been like a hot minute since I filmed one of these videos. I filmed them, I believe, over the summer, and you guys really liked it. So I got a new bag recently. If you guys didn't watch my vlog, the 7 rings inspired shopping spree, then definitely go check it out. You guys can see what bag I got. Alrighty guys, so you can see in the back I have my Louis Vuitton bag, the shopping bag. So the bag that I got is the Louis Vuitton Neverfull Damier a bin rose ballerina inside. You guys don't know, this is literally my dream bag. I've been literally looking at this bag for a hot minute, so to even have it in my presence is insane to me. If you hear noise outside, I am super sorry. Like, the people who do maintenance here, like the grass and everything, every single time I film, I feel like they are just out to get me and they just want to cut the grass and weed whack and do all that stuff. So we're just gonna put up with it and we're just gonna jump right into the video. This is the bag in all its glory. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me just say that her name is Naomi. I did name her, don't come for me. Her name is Naomi the Neverfull. I love her so much. This bag is like the most, if you were to spend your money on a bag that is high-end, I highly recommend this one. So I'm gonna get into like the pros and the cons, but I just want to show you guys the bag. This is what it looks like. It just has the damier print and inside the rose ballerina. Now the cool thing about this bag is you can wear it as an oversized tote, or you can scrunch in the sides like that and make it a little bit of a smaller bag, just depending on what you need it for. I am going to say the price just because if you guys are in the market for this bag, then I definitely do want to just like give you guys the pros, the cons, and the price and everything. So I personally purchased it right from the Louis Vuitton store, and with tax it came out to about $1,400. So again, don't come for me in the comments. Bags make me happy. I love bags. They're just something I love. Some people are shoe people, some people are like, I don't know, car people. I'm a bag girl and I love bags, and this one is super useful. I am going to list the pros and the cons. I'm going to list the pros right here, and I'm also going to list the cons probably right here. So first and foremost, the number one pro of this bag is that it is so big and so spacious. So I really didn't realize how much stuff you could fit in there until I went on my trip this past weekend. I fit so much in it and it was just like insane to see how much stuff could actually fit in there. Another pro would definitely be the versatility. So the versatility of the bag, like I said, there literally are like 3 ways you could wear this bag. You could wear it as a full-size tote, you can cinch it in and make it a smaller bag, and it comes with a little clutch, so you can use just the clutch and not the bag. So there is a lot of useful things in how you can use it. And the next one would be the clutch. So not only are you paying for a bag, but you're getting a clutch as well. Pro to the bag is that the leather is treated leather. So that means that when you go outside and water gets on your bag, it's not going to ruin your bag. It's completely safe. It's completely everything. It's seriously just a good, sturdy bag. But really just the pros are that it's a sturdy, useful, everyday bag that literally you could use this bag every day for something. If you're going to work, if you're going on a trip, no matter what you're doing, this bag is so useful and I love it so much. The pro is it's gonna last you so long. I'm a quality over quantity person, so I'd much rather have one nice bag rather to, you know, a few nice bags that are just going to cost almost as much if you buy like 200, 300, whatever, how much your bags cost. I'm a firm believer having like one nice bag, you know, and this bag is gonna last me so long. The next pro is just the lightweight of it. It's such a lightweight bag. It's just a bag that you can throw on your shoulder, you can throw on your arm. You know, it's just a bag that's super light, and literally it's the only bag that I want to use now. You guys know I have a Gucci Marmount Mini, and this bag has taken over my life. I love it so much, and it's the most beautiful thing ever. So now the cons. Like I said, I am such a Louis Vuitton girl, but looking at this bag, these are the only things that I find are the cons to the bag. I'll list them probably right here. So the number one con that I will say is the bag does lose its shape. So let me explain. When you buy a Louis Vuitton bag, they come folded up. So you do have to kind of stuff the bag and make it so the shape holds, you know? But with this bag personally, it is like a tote style. So I did have to purchase off of Amazon like an organizer because there isn't many pockets. If you're someone who really likes to have pockets and put things in specific places, that might be irritating for you. So I did purchase the little organizer off of Amazon. It really wasn't that big of a deal, but I just wish that it wasn't just put it all in one tote style bag. This con is kind of going along the same lines. So, okay, it does get dirty quickly. So if you're someone and you don't have the organizer and you're throwing things in there, odds are it's gonna get a little dirty. I do have a lighter color. I don't have the red, I have the light pink. So it is going to get dirty, probably more than the other colors. But if that doesn't like bother you and you take care of your things, it doesn't matter at all. My last con is just something with the Neverfull just in general. Not my bag, but just the Neverfull in general. If you guys don't know, I really wanted the monogram print, but I really wanted the rose ballerina color. So they do not sell that bag with the rose ballerina, which I wish they did. So I did get the damier, but I am so thrilled that I did get the damier because you guys don't know, the regular monogram prints, the one that has like the tan straps, they get darker. So basically they age, which they're not treated leather. So that leather is going to be very babied. You're going to have to baby it. If you go out in the rain and water gets on it, you're screwed pretty much. So I did not want that one just because I'm not probably going to baby my bag. It's better spending that much money on a bag that has treated leather. I don't know why they don't do it to the other one, but they don't. So that's like my other con to the Neverfull just in general, that I just don't know why they don't treat the other leather. I don't know. And the damier bin is treated, so I don't have to like worry about any of that. I'm just gonna hop into what is in my purse. So I'm just gonna go through and show you guys what's in my bag. Typically, I really don't carry so much depending on the day. Like what I'm doing, I'll switch off and carry like water or different things for whatever I'm doing for that day. But typically on a regular day basis, I don't carry like that much. In the big pockets, I have organizer, if you guys can't see. So I have an organizer in my bag that basically organizes everything, which is so amazing. It's from Amazon. I'll have it linked. First pocket in the organizer, I know this is so weird, but I have a face mask. So I never know when I'm going to be out, or maybe I'm at someone's house or whatever. If I need a pick-me-up, if I need a face mask, it's just the best thing ever. So I have that in my first pockets. This is just an avocado mask. It's a natural energy moisturizing softening skin mask. First thing that I had in my bag. In the next two pockets, I have these two things. So the first thing I literally could not live without. Like I'm literally not, I probably would not exist without these. So these are my Apple AirPods. If you guys don't know, I know like, oh my god, AirPods. No. If you're a YouTuber, you need AirPods, like editing and just all that other stuff. It's just the best. Or if you're walking and vlogging, it's the best thing ever. So AirPods are just like the best thing. Genuinely, I love them so much. The next thing is this. So again, it just depends on what I'm doing from day to day. If I'm doing like a class or I'm going somewhere where I need, you know, I'm not going to eat for an extended period of time. Since I do eat a little bit lighter than I used to, I eat like smoothies and stuff. I do get hungry a little bit more frequently than I used to when I would eat like full on meals. So I have this, which by the way is my favorite protein bars ever. They're the best. They're so good. I highly recommend them. This is the Power Crunch Protein Energy Bar. It's the original flavor, triple chocolate. It's bomb. If you guys like protein bars, this one is the best, and they have other flavors, but this is just the one I have in my bag. I think you get them at like Walmart or Target. I think Walmart. And they're really good, and they keep me full, and they're just really good. They're energy, they're protein, all the good stuff. I'll have like a water in there because I'm a water fiend. The next thing I have is my planner. So this is my planner. I basically plan out like my days, things I'm doing in the future, things I'm doing day by day, videos I'm filming, things I need to remember, just all that good stuff. I do carry my planner all the time just because you never know if someone's like, oh, remember this, or oh, like let's do this on this. So I love to have a planner. It keeps me super, super organized. Okay, so the next thing I have is a portable charger. So this one is by Palm Gear. So I use this. I just recently went on a trip and I used a charger. But since I am on my phone a lot, I am vlogging on my phone a lot, this is like necessary because my phone will die. And how am I gonna get that content for y'all? this is a must. The pocket in the center, which you guys saw before. Get a scrunchie. Love scrunchies, as you can see. Then I just have some hand sanitizer. This is the Frosted Coconut Snowball. I use this all the time because you never know when you're gonna need it. If you're at the mall, if you're at a gas station, no matter where you are, you're gonna need this. Then the last thing in that little pocket was this liquid lipstick. So this is the Tarteist Pro Liquid Lip, and it's in the shade Low Key. And it literally has a baby lips top on it because I lost the top to it. So I put this on it, and this is what I was talking about. You get like a 2-for-1. So the bag comes with a little clutch that looks like this. And it's like the softest like leather, and it has obviously the same print and then the pink at the top. Basically just go out with it, which is what I did when I went out, when I went on my trip. You can put it on your wrist, and it's just like the best thing ever. And it seriously holds so much, but I really don't have much in there. I use this kind of as like my wallet. I just have like a chapstick. I have one of my Cartier rings, which I probably, let's put this on my finger because I don't want to lose it. That's like really bad. I don't know when I did that, but apparently I did that. Okay, so I put my Cartier ring on because I have two. I don't want to lose that because then I would be in like big trouble. I just have like in here like cash and cards and everything. So I'm not going to show you that because that's like super boring and you don't care about that at all. And then in the back pocket of the like little bag, I just have like random stuff again. So I have 2 chapsticks. The first one is the Shade Moisture one, and then I have the Candy Cane chapstick because I'm a chapstick fiend. I always need some, and usually I'll have gum back there, but I just ran out. So then I have like a little travel mini perfume because, again, like I said, I never know where I'm going or if I need to like freshen up after the gym or something. I don't know what this is called. It's like Ari by Ari. Is it Ari or is it So Sweet? I don't know. I forget the name, but it's like the pink one, and it smells really good and really sweet. And it's just a mini, and I love it a lot. Hey guys, that is it. That is what is in my purse. The pros and cons of the Louis Vuitton Neverfull. Honestly, if you want it, I would definitely say get it. It is a really, really awesome bag, and I know I'm going to use it for so long. Even when I have kids or something, I can use it as like a diaper bag. It's perfect. It's amazing, and I see myself using it and having it for a very long time. If you want it, get it, but obviously like it is an investment. I know that. This bag, it was so rewarding. Alrighty guys, so do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys own this bag or what bag you guys really want that's high-end. I am doing another giveaway once we reach 800 subscribers. If you guys want another giveaway, do not forget to subscribe, get me to 800 subscribers, and I'm going to be doing another giveaway. So until next time, Rain fam. Bye guys.
Say goodnight and go.